Hi, Fakie, and today I'm here with my cousins again, and welcome to Plug and Play. You might hear a little kid in the background because, you know, he's just out of control today. So we're gonna play a game called Plug and Play tablet gameplay again. So yeah, let's get right into this. So I heard that this is a very weird game. Plug and Play. All right. I'm very excited. Plug and Play. Yep.
Hey, Nana.
Alright, plug and play.
Nana.
Alright.
Nana.
Alright,
Nana.
Whoa, these are some pretty long fingers!
Nana.
Oh! Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, you can walk. Okay, what do I do? Okay. Bye! Okay, there we go again. Oh, he fell. He fell. Like I said, if you hear a little kid in the background, he's just out of control today. So, yeah. What up, bruh? What do I do? Okay, back to this again. Skirt. 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 Okay, bye. Boop. Oh, okay. Okay, back to this again. You can see that dead guy. There we go. Whatever. No! Okay. Ah! Plug it back in. Okay, what did I just do? I just saw a button, right? Did you see a button?
How do I make the peep?
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, touch. 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 Come. Okay. This game is really, really weird. And hard. Touch. 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 Bang. 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 Okay. Touch. Oh! I did not realize that. Okay, I did not realize that. Which one? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I pick you. No, let's go. What up, bruh? Woo! Okay. Oh! No! What? Doing everything I can. That's just plain disgusting. Okay. What? Oh, do I put him back in here? What do I do?
Went away. Oh, shoot, right back.
I'm doing everything I can here.
What? It's not dead yet. It's been my turn the whole time.
Not done yet.
Wait.
Not done yet. But yeah, guys, I'm sorry. Like, there's kids everywhere. I don't know what to do. What do you want me to do?
I don't like this.
I don't know what to do. I'm trying to like to blow. I don't know what to do. Like third. I don't. What? Oh. Oh. Okay. Never mind. I know what to do. Wow. Fetch. 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 Go fetch. Go fetch. Go fetch. Okay. Yay. So do I take one out? Okay, and then I put this in, right? Oh, okay. Doop, doop, doop. Hi.
No, like, I'm gonna bring you back.
Hello.
Just go back to where go turn around. Yeah, get on there. Oh. They covered you? You stuck?
Shut up!
I'm stuck.
Jesus Christ, man. Bye. I'm really sorry, guys. Just these kids over here won't shut up about a game.
You need to learn about how to
So yeah. Oh, okay. I love you.
Oh, shoot, that was a bad guy? I don't even know. Kill him!
Shut up!
Where's the house? Where's the house going?
Jesus Christ, man. I'm really sorry, guys. It's just that these kids over here won't shut up about a freaking game.
Oh, shoot!
I'm serious, guys.
Is he a nice guy? A nice guy?
Oh no, back to this again. Aww. 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 Okay. Okay. Very interesting. No! Don't think I think it's what it's gonna do. Oh no! 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 What? What? No! Did I go closer? What do I do? Ah! Come in, go in. There you go. Good boy. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. What?
What the heck? They're gonna be three-way.
Okay. Oh! What? Oh. All right. Oh my God. What? Oh, do we switch now? Oh, back to this again. Snap off my fingernail, boy. Okay. Pull my finger. What do I do? Yankee yappa papa.
Hey.
Oh, I pulled out his finger.
I'm gonna need a lot of
I pulled off his finger. And he leaves. Okay.
What the fuck?
What? Okay.
That's creepy. That's weird.
Okay. End. Okay, so it says end. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I believe this is the most weirdest game I've ever played in my whole life. That was very inappropriate. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and a comment below if you enjoyed this video. Well, I just said that. And why not subscribe? You will not regret it. And yeah, this game was absolutely weird, okay? Absolutely weird. I have to admit, this is the most weirdest game I ever played. So thank you again. Peace out, guys. See you in the next video. Stay awesome.